everybody. Good morning. And then how are you? After many days I am taking your class. Okay, today I'll do some grammar. Okay, you have done the this and that, I, you, all this you have done. So today I will give some fill in the blanks with this, that, I, you. All these things I can give fill in the blanks. Just before that, I am just revising. Once for that I told that these, for that near away things, that just nearby our things. So pointing nearby, no need to write, just listen. Pointing some things nearby. Nearby, these, plural of these, then after those, and that pointing something far away. I think you have remembered all these things. Far away, and those, plural of that. This thing you have remembered. I think you have remembered. So another things also you have read. Please read, and also I will give something, all these, that, I, you, he, she, it. All these things I will give some fill in the blanks. Okay. Next, these things I think you, okay beta, Adrit, I am fine, and I think you are also fine. And everybody I am asking that after many days I am taking your class, so you are fine. And you are enjoying the online class. Thank you, sir. So please remember, just this means pointing something nearby, and these, plural of this, that pointing something far away, those, plural of that. So these things you have remembered. Next, you have read I, you, he, she, all these things, and also it. So, where is Ujan? So, please, once I, you know that. Always I am representing I or you, means me. If I am telling I am your teacher, you can also tell I am Onik, you can write Onik. Ahona also you can write Ahona. Riyad also you can write. Everybody you can write like this your name. Okay, so you, I after what we are telling? Am. You after are. I after am. You after are. Then he represent always male gender. Male gender. And after he, we are putting is. After he, we are putting is. You should remember. Always you should remember, he after, you should put is. She also is. But here, female gender, we can also female person, not gender, for the human being, we can write that like this, okay? So male gender means male gender of the person, and it means any non-living, we cannot tell that, non-living things, animals, birds, and non-living things, birds, and also animals, if they are not having any special names. But one thing you can ask me, so if ma'am we are telling the plural of birds, okay, so how we will use? It, its, or anything another? So at that time, please remember, you should use they, okay? If I am telling that two birds are sitting on the tree, two birds are sitting on the tree, two birds, after that, which one I will use instead of two birds? That time we will use that two birds, they, okay? That is the thing, that is not its, okay? We can use they, only you should understand and also you can remember. So please remember they, okay? They are also plural, but only remember, you are not having now, only you are having I, you, he, she, or it, okay? So today I will give some fill in the blanks with I, you, he, she, it. Please do it. Open your copy and write it. Okay, beta? Everybody, please. I will ask the answer also. Please write. If here, please, only you can look their verb. What I am writing. Only verb. Can't see the board. Ayushi, you cannot see the board. I think I am, obviously, if I am right that I am a student. Number 2, are boys. 3, if I am telling that are good singer. Okay, here what I can tell, number 4, fill in the blanks with you, I, she, he. You, I, she, he, it. Is a parrot. Number 5, are good dancer. Number 6, please write in your copy, is a whatever. Here one thing I have given is a doctor. So here you can write they are boys. Yes, very good. You can write he or she, anything. Okay. But when I am telling that are good dancer, so where things please write, okay? Only answer you can tell me or also you can write. I am a student, very good. You are boys. Number 3, she is a good singer. Then it is a parrot. Please write, please tell me what. these I am not telling, okay beta? I am just telling you, I, she, he, it. Only these things you can fill in the blanks. Okay, so it is a parrot. Very good. And good dancer. Audrey has given that it is a parrot. Very good, very good. She is a girl. She is a girl. I have not given here, beta. She is a girl, Zarin. I have not given here. Only I have given is a good singer. Is a good singer. The parrot are good dancer. She is a good dancer, not beta. Look, are good dancer. So we can write you are good dancer. Okay, you are a good dancer. Rishabh and Ahana has given the correct answer. So please listen, please. Only Audrey, again you have written that. Shochit, please that correct your mistakes. She is, I have not given. You are a good dancer. So are means only here we can put you. You are a good dancer. Okay. She is a doctor, he is a doctor. Whatever I can do. He is a doctor. Yes. Then next I can, yes, I am wrapping this number 1 and 2. Number 7, I have, again, I just told is a nice garden. Number 8, is a nice garden, dash like it very much. Okay, please you can just understand the meaning. Is a nice garden. What things I can put here? Nice garden, that is also non-living things, and also is a, also we can use it, obviously. Very good. Antara, Audrij, everyone is answering that it is a. But after that, that things like it very much. What things put here? I will put. So who is, who likes it very much? You, I, or anything? I like it very much. I like it very much. If I am telling that you like it very much, that is also one thing. Okay, it's a very nice thing. Please remember it. I like it very much, you like it. Whatever you can give, that is also a correct answer. So I think you are writing all these things. So one thing you can write here, please write, this is very important for you. This is a chart. One chart I am giving. How? This is the first person, second person. After that you will learn. But one thing, I after am, I, this is a singular. And plural, I, we, are. After that, you, are. You, plural, you. He is, she is. But he and she, plural is they. They are. Another thing also I can use that it is. Please write this chart and please remember always. Okay. So after that, I singular, first person I am just telling. Here you can also, you will learn all these things afterwards. But please remember these things. Okay, beta? Please remember. I after am, we after are. You are, you are. He is, she is, it is. But plural is they. He, she, it, plural is they. So, it is they are. Please remember all these things. Very good. You have given that Antara. Please, you have written. So please, these things also you should remember. Very nice, beta. Everybody, please write. Okay. So if you remember all these things, so you will not forget this verb form. And this verb form will be useful for everywhere and always. So please write it and for yourself. Okay, very good. Thank you, beta.
I want to tell them to write present in the chat box.
Those who are present, please write once that I am present. Only present. Those who are present. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Only you can write. Those who are present, please write yes, ma'am in the chat box. Present, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Whatever. Only yes also you can write. No need to write ma'am. Shochit, Onik, Antara, Zarin, Antara Gorai, Odrij. Only yes also yes ma'am or yes you can write. Aditya. And you are taking the class. So this class I think it will be useful for you. Very good, beta, very good. You are joining the class, so I am very happy. Okay, so please read these things. So, okay, Annorina, Rishab, Ahana, Rishan, Ujan, 4 people now also typing. And Sheikh Riyad, Ujan, all this. Rishan, Minajuddin, okay, Aditya. Okay, beta. Thank you. And 21. Have a nice day, beta. Bye.